Hi everyone, welcome to our AMA today. Today Miss Emily is currently unavailable, so I will be taking her place for today AMA. Uh, I'm Janice, Marketing Manager at SciC. Yeah, we have an exciting lineup of discussion ahead, exploring growth strategies and ecosystem building with our esteemed speakers. Yeah, hi everyone. Can you hear me? And welcome to our AMA today. Miss Emily is currently unavailable, so I will be taking her place for today's AMA. I'm Janice, Marketing Manager at SciC, and Miss Yuki was busy, so she couldn't join the AMA. And so AMA with us, we have Miss Danny. He's a marketing admin. Miss Danny, can you introduce yourself and say a bit about your project?
Yes, of course. Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hey, host, can you hear me?
Yes. Oh, hello, Danny. I can hear. I can hear you.
Hey, hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Host, are you there? Oh, can you hear me? I think the audience can hear me right. Let me check with the host.
Yeah, Ganesh, I can hear you.
You can hear me right?
Okay. Miss Annie. Yeah, yes. Miss Annie, can you introduce yourself again?
Okay. So hello
Yeah.
everyone. Thank you for Saisi for inviting me to be here. This is Jenny. I'm the head of marketing at Ding. And I'd like to share some of our updates and insights from our project and also for our latest news. I think it's honored to be here and for Ding, we are the first AI native data pre-processing layer, and we have been building this project for more than 2 years. And right now, we are more focusing on our own node cell recently. So I will share some of our updates later. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Miss Annie. And let me introduce to Saisi. Saisi is an innovative social file the app designed for KOL user centric. It connects users with projects and influencers, creating a dynamic platform for engagement and growth. Built on and supported by the Moonbeam network, Sensi benefits from robust technology and strategic partnerships that enhance its capabilities and reach. Okay, so now shifting our focus to explore user adoption and growth strategies. Let's hear from Miss Annie about how does the Nivaret is modular AI native data pre-processing layer to drive user adoption and growth.
Yeah, thank you so much. I think in the whole Ding ecosystem, there were three participants who are continuously involved in the data flow of AI. So first is the data collector. They collect and label the raw data from social media platform like X using our latest product called X data. And then we have data validators and also the vectorizers. They use the local AI models on devices like mobiles and laptops for data validation, classification, cleaning, and the augmentation. So all the data processed by Ding can be supplied to different AI companies for extensive model training, for AI agent creation, and also for the trading within the data marketplace. So indeed, any profits generated from this data will be distributed back to the network participants. As I just mentioned, Xdata is the center for data collectors, where the users don't need to pay any extra fee to get involved and earn the points. We use this product to gain over 3 million free users and also helped us reach the top three project on BNB chain ecosystem regarding the data of DAU and transaction. And by the way, the ongoing no sell is also the center for those high quality investors users. We have set different tiers and prices for all the individual investors and also let them become our node holders, which will bring us the future token holders and traders. Yeah, that's all.
Mm, thank you so much, Miss Annie. And one more question. What are the main strategies is to incentivize users to prepare data for AI and earn rewards?
Yeah, I think for this question, I've expanded a little bit this about this question above for the last question because we have leveraged the two sections including the X data and also the node cell. We use X data to attract more and more users who can, collect data and also contribute their own, ability of, deciding which or what kind of data might be used for the DIN ecosystem. And at the same time, we use the node cell to attract more individual investors who have, extra money to invest in our project and our ecosystem. So I think the triple node is a very essential part of the DIN ecosystem. It can enable the data validation and also for the vectorization process, and it will provide the reward conversion computation power. So I think for now, the most important thing is the triple node cell, and we use it to on the one hand, we use it to, provide our Exeter users to let them using the triple node to transfer their, wafer point into Xting, which will be the airdrop proof of point in the future. And at the same time, we will, use this triple node cell to attract more investors and let them to participate in the AI data flow of our ecosystem. And also, we want to use this to incentivize them to get both the airdrop and also for the future node mining rewards for them. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great to know. And okay, now let me say Stacy perspective on this. At Stacy, we employ various strategies to increase user adoption and drive growth. For instance, we are focusing on a mix of community engagement and product enhancements. We actively gather feedback from our users and implement changes based on their list. Additionally, we run targeted marketing campaigns and strategic policies to expand our reach and attract new users. And so now we move on to our last topic, uh, ecosystem development. Miss Danny, can you discuss how Dean is collaborating with other projects or organizations to enhance its ecosystem?
Okay, sure. Yeah, I think for us, for Ding team, we have been building this project for more than 2 years, right? So we are born from Polkadot, but we have like transferred into BNB Chain. So like we have like building in BNB Chain for almost 2 years. So I like to give this BNB Chain as an example. So first of all, we have provided different kinds of on-chain data analysis for BNB Chain official. At the same time, we have like powered, lots of projects in the BOB ecosystem and give them kind of, on-chain data analysis platform for them to track all the on-chain, activities. And apart from that, we have like how BNB Chain built an AI agent into their community. So like we have collected all the information and documents from BNB Chain official, and then we have trained into an exclusive AI chatbot for BNB Chain. So like we have integrated that AI chatbot into their Discord, Telegram, and also their official website to let that all the users could interact with those AI chatbot at the same time, and ask everything about the BNB chain. So I think for BNB chain, we have like integrated all of our products and services for them, and also we provide our value for them, and they have paid money for our service. So I think we and BNB chain team have been collaborated with each other for a long time, and at the same time we have like joined their official airdrop campaigns and also different kinds of marketing campaigns as well. So I think we have contributed to BNB Chain for a long time, and yeah, I think it really enhanced the ability and also the data services for BNB Chain. Yeah.
Hello, can you hear me? Yeah, okay, sorry everyone. Uh, Miss Annie, what are the key factors that Dean focus on to ensure a vibrant and growing ecosystem?
Okay. for this question, I would like to mention three key factors. So one thing is the DAU, because for now we have like operated our product X data for more than 4 months, and right now we have a really good DAU on this product because you guys might have seen our ranking on BNB.bay, and right now we have more than 3 million users on it, and lots of users have collected all the data, all the social media data on it. And the second key factor we'd like to focus on would be the social media followers. So during these 2 years we have been keep building our social media content, and also we have done many social media campaigns with other ecosystems and also the projects. So we'd like to build a very popular social media network, and also show our updates and our some of our memes on it. And the third key factor would be the community members. So right now we have our Telegram groups, and also we have our Discord server. So right now I think our Telegram group has almost over 100K followers, and as well as our Discord server. So I think there are many ongoing campaigns, and also different kinds of activities which has been doing in our community, so that we'd like to activate our community member, and let them participate on in different kind of campaigns or activities in our ecosystem. So I think that those are the three key factors I'd like to mention for this question. Thank you.
Yeah, fantastic information. And one more question. What steps is Lean taking to explain its ecosystem and integrate its data pre-processing solution with other platform and technologies?
First of all, I think for us, we would like to partner with more AI data partners, including those AI agent platforms, AI model training platforms, and also the AI data marketplaces, to ensure the business model success. Because I just mentioned that in the whole data ecosystem, we'd like to make profit by those AI companies. And the second thing I would mention is that we'd like to build our own AI data blockchain after TGE, and also involve more developers and also the project teams to build a broader network and also the ecosystem. Because for us, we'd like to make sure that everyone could get involved in the AI data ecosystem and get paid. And also we'd like to invite more and more developers, and also the other project team to participate in the whole AI data processing layer. I think that those are the two things, and all the two steps we'd like to take in the near future. Thank you.
Yeah, that's impressive. And as I see, community feedback is pivotal to SciC ecosystem development. It provides us with unavailable insights into user needs, preferences, and pain points. We actively gather feedback through various channels, including surveys, direct integrations, and social media. This feedback is then analyzed to identify common themes and areas for improvement. We use this insight to refine our features, enhance user experience, and make informed decisions about our product roadmap. By integrating community suggestions and concerns into our strategy, we ensure that our platform remains relevant and user-centric. And the question from Fowie for SciC is, what are some of the key challenges SciC faces in developing its ecosystem, and how are you addressing them? Um, Key challenges associated include maintaining user engagement, scaling technology, and building strategic policies. To tackle this, we enhance our platform based on feedback, invest in scalable infrastructure, work closely with our tech partners to ensure our platform can handle growth seamlessly, um, and for strong collaborations to expand our reach and capability. Um, yeah, looking ahead, let's hear about best approaches from Miss Danny. Um, Miss Danny, what best approach has been adopted to ensure that its AI-native data pre-processing technology remains effective and user-friendly?
Okay, for this question, I think so inside our community, we actually have frequent AMAs inside inside both our TG groups and also our Discord server to collect the feedback from our community members, because we actually want to know what they think and what kinds of update they want us to make. So I think community is the core, and we want to collect all the feedback from them. And second, I think we usually create social media content with with some interesting insights or memes to attract more outsider audiences. Because for our Twitter and also for our Medium, we like to make different kinds of content, no matter for the meme or for the for the AI data insight. We want to let all the newcomers know that what Ding is doing. And yeah, we have our own culture and we have our own styles. So if you like it, you can get into our community and also contribute to the ecosystem. So I think for both the insider and for the outsider, I think we have different kinds of strategies and also the methods to both attract them and activate them. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, so cool. And what approaches that Dean is to actively engage its community and encourage participation in the data preparation process?
Well, I think we already have the reward mechanism inside Xdata, so that the current users could earn something every day. So, for example, if you are new to Xdata, you will be able to finish all the newbie tasks, including like following Twitter, getting to our Discord and Telegram, and also finish an on-chain signing. So after doing that, you will gain your wafer at very first, and then we have our referral system, so that if you are inviting one of our friends or other community members to join this product, you will have to earn extra wafer in this process. And apart from that, the core feature on Xdata is to let you collect all the social media content data on X, right? So in this process, you will earn more and more wafer in doing different kinds of collecting process on Twitter, so that you will have large amount of wafer earning in the whole process. That's the one thing. So the second thing I would like to mention is that we just launched our no sell recently, and you can check all the details on our official Twitter and our Medium posts. So like the reason why we launched this no sell and design all the related details is that we want to make an airdrop mechanism to attract more users participation. because our plan is to launch our token probably on September or October this year, so that we like to reward our previous users and also our new coming users to get involved in this no sell. And also for the airdrop thing, I think we have allocated like 6.5% of the whole token allocation for our users to get the rewards in the process. So those are the two things I want to mention for this question. Thank you.
Wow, interesting approach. And the last question, can you share a success story where community involvement significantly impacted lean growth or technological development?
Yeah, of course. So basically, we launched a new version of X Data in July this year, when we moved the original NFT restriction and launched the newbie task campaign with more attractive reward mechanism. And at the same time, we launched two leaderboard campaigns in which the top users with more invitations and activities will earn extra USDT rewards. So during the whole month, our DAU has made a 3x growth, which helped us make top three on BNB that day. So I think that's the most successful strategy we made this month. And also for the leaderboard campaign, we're still having it ongoing. So if you're interested, you can dive into our product and earn as much as the wave as you can. So yeah, I think also for the no sell part, we just launched it, and if you're interested in it, I think you must go to our website, our Twitter, and also get into our community to get all the details about our no sell. Yeah, so because we have different kinds of campaigns and events or discounts for our users who have interest in buying our nodes. So I think that's a very special and important opportunity for everyone to get involved in the ecosystem recently. Yeah, that's what I want to share.
Yeah, that's great to know. And with Dicey, we received a lot of questions. Here's one from Amor. What approaches have you found most effective in maintaining user satisfaction and loyalty at Dicey? Uh, to maintain user satisfaction and loyalty, we focus on continuous engagement and responsive lists. We actively listen to user feedback, regularly update our platform to address their needs, and provide excellent customer support, personalized interactions, and rewards for active users also help in keeping our community engaged and loyal. One more question for Saisi. What are some key lessons Saisi has learned about scaling its technology and growing its user base? Key lessons include the importance of investing in scalable infrastructure to handle growth and the need for a flexible product roadmap that can adapt to evolving user demands. Building strong policies and maintain clear communication with users are also crucial for impeding our reach and managing growth effectively. And thank you all for this fantastic insight. Before we wrap up, let's hear a quick round of final thoughts from our guest. Miss Annie, can you share your thoughts?
Well, can you repeat that question?
Yeah. Can you say your final thoughts in AMA?
Oh well, so our final call is that yeah, as I just mentioned, that our no sale is ongoing. So if you're interested, get involved into our Twitter, our Discord, our Telegram, and to know everything about our no sale. So right now our tier 2 to tier 5 is ongoing. You can directly go to our no sale page and buy them. And also we have partnered with some third party platforms like including some launchpads and also the no running platforms. So you can get other parts of tier 3 to tier 5 nodes on them. So I think for us, we'd like to mention that our token launch will be on September or October. So that's the very last month that you can get involved into our ecosystem before TGE. So I think you must grab your last opportunity to get involved our no sell and also our X data. So I think that's the very last thing I want to mention. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, huge thanks to Miss Danny for sharing their valuable insights. And before we go, I would like to remind everyone about our exciting Sciencey Within collaboration campaign. This is a great opportunity to get involved and potentially earn rewards. The campaign runs from August 20 to August 31 with a reward pool of 1000 USDT. And a quick reminder, we will reveal the lucky members who will be receiving rewards from today's AMA later on, so keep an eye out. Thank you all for joining us, and don't forget to follow us for updates on the future events. And bye. See you at the next AMA.
Bye bye, everyone. Thank you for inviting. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.